Hey everybody, I'm Amy from BodyFit by Amy, and this is your daily core connection for week 1 of the sculpt phase of your hardcore challenge. So this is it, our last phase of the challenge, and we're gonna do this core connection in a standing position, and we're gonna incorporate one weight. If you don't have a weight, maybe you're doing this at work or on your lunch break, something heavy or something that you can hold. But if you have a weight, we're going to use it to add to that deep core connection. So let's start with checking in with our alignment like we always do. Standing up nice and tall, lifting up to the top of the head, stacking the ears over the shoulders, shoulders over the rib cage over the pelvis, and then pelvis over knees over ankles. So trying to feel how that feels. Again, really paying attention, pelvis and rib cage, feeling that core turn on, feeling that pelvic floor, and then a few diaphragmatic breaths or TA breathing. Big inhale. Remember, pelvic floor drops. Exhale, connect. Since this is our third phase, we are 6 weeks in. Hopefully you're feeling like you're an expert at these deep core breaths. Breathing through your gills and in. All right, now let's do just the pelvic floor activation. You know, sometimes we like to separate them out. So lifting that fishing net, sucking through a straw, not squeezing the glutes or going forward and back. Inhale to release. Exhale, activate that pelvic floor. Remembering those 4 points, front, back, side, side, pubic bone, tailbone, sits bones, and release. Activate that pelvic floor. So it's a connection, strong but gentle, gentle but strong. Feel how your core turns on when you do that, and then relax. One more just like that, and breathe. Now I want you to hold that, and let's just do some quick releases. Release, contract, release, contract. I know it's a little harder to go quick. Don't overthink it, like we've done those elevators. Release, contract, one more. All right, let's grab our weight. So again, weight or just holding something heavy. I want you to hold it right at your chest. TA breath, inhale. Exhale, connect all through the deep core and the pelvic floor together. So feeling that connect, pushing into the weight. And then release, one more like that. Can you take your weight a little out in front of you? Same thing, inhale. I know we feel our arms working too, but I want you to feel the weight away from you. Exhale, contract. Inhale, exhale. Now can we take it, we're gonna push out on the inhale, pull in on the exhale, all right? If you need to get with something lighter with that weight, if you're feeling it, maybe you picked up your 20 or something, let's take it here. So inhale, exhale. Do it again. Inhale. Exhale. You feel like you're starting to hold too much tension up here, try it without the weight or pick up something lighter. Inhale. And exhale. One more. And breathe. Now just the pelvic floor. We're gonna do that elevator, but we're gonna bring the weight with it, right? Again, you're probably not aiming to get your pelvic floor up to your chest or your neck, but really moving up that elevator and down so you can activate and control all the way through. Here we go, pelvic floor elevators in 3, 2, 1. Going to floor 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, not moving in the shoulders, not moving in the chest. 6, 7, 8. Can you get to a point where you're here? Now we're gonna hold that gentle core connection. Can you talk through it? Can you breathe through it while staying connected? Can you take that weight out? Bring that weight in, and let's slowly take it back down. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One more pelvic floor elevator. Big inhale. Exhale, lift, floor 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep lifting up through that pelvic floor, connecting with that deep core. Hold it here. Active core breathing. Can you also bring a knee up? Woo, that's hard, right? Staying connected, using your core to lift right through here. As you come back to this, should feel stronger with the weight, but if you need to drop down to body weight, that works too. Slowly lower it down, roll those shoulders, and just again, one more time. Inhale, not the elevator, just deep core, diaphragmatic breath with pelvic floor activation. Here we go. And release. And relax. That was it. That was our 5-minute daily core connection. Again, you can get this daily. You can get it when it's on the schedule, which is 3 times during the week, but you can add it more to really think about the connection. Just 5 minutes. Get those breaths, get that activation, getting stronger every day.